How does the reconciliation loop work in Kubernetes operators? Imagine a busy control tower constantly checking on a fleet of drones to make sure they're doing exactly what they're supposed to. That's similar to how the reconciliation loop works in Kubernetes operators. It's the brain behind keeping your cluster in the right shape. When you create or change a custom resource in Kubernetes, the operator springs into action. It first observes what's happening in the cluster, watching for events like new resources being created or existing ones being updated or deleted. Once it spots a change, it compares the current state of the resources with the desired state you specified in the custom resource definition. If it finds differences, it jumps into action. The operator then makes the necessary adjustments, which could mean creating new pods, updating configurations, or removing resources that are no longer needed. After making these changes, it updates the status of the custom resource to reflect the new state. This process is designed to be safe to run multiple times without causing issues. It's called idempotent, meaning running it repeatedly won't cause unintended side effects. The core of this process is the reconcile function, which is triggered every time an event related to the custom resource occurs. The function receives details about what changed and decides what needs to be done next. Kubernetes operators run as workloads inside the cluster, working alongside the control plane, which manages the cluster's overall health. They also coordinate with the controller manager, which handles multiple controllers and their reconciliation loops. Even if multiple reconciliation processes run at the same time, the operator makes sure only one acts on a specific resource at a time. This prevents conflicts or race conditions. In cloud environments, this loop is especially useful. It helps automate complex tasks like managing cloud resources across Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. It can handle multi-cluster setups and enforce security policies by constantly aligning the actual infrastructure with the desired configuration. So, in simple terms, the reconciliation loop is a continuous, event-driven process that keeps your cluster in sync. It watches for changes, compares current and desired states, and acts to keep everything running smoothly. This automation makes managing applications and infrastructure much easier and more reliable.